Yeah. This is my 2007 Jeep Compass. My mom's boyfriend Daniel gave it to me when the brakes gave out in 2014. I drive this car to and from work, and I eat lunch in it pretty much every day. It's got 61.8 cubic feet of cargo space, 172 horsepower at 6,000 RPM. It takes regular and runs on 20 miles per gallon, but it actually can't get filled up past 3/4 of the tank, or it'll for sure stall out. So it actually comes out to be like $250 a week gas, depending on what the job is. But yeah, usually like a lot more money than if I had like a nice car like Doug's, which is a Nissan Frontier, which is nice. It has a rock solid plastic interior and seats 5 pretty uncomfortably, if I'm being honest. But like, if everyone in the backseat is fucked up, and nobody really cares. It makes like a ton of noises. And when I go to the shop, Lou is always like, I don't know, man. Like, this thing should be dead. 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine, 165 pounds per foot of torque. This window doesn't close, and the check engine light's always on. My guest today needs no introduction. He's my coworker and friend, Trip. We work together on the site, and he's like a real bud. We call him Trip because his first week working, he tripped. And it was hilarious, and everyone laughed. And ever since, I've been driving him to work the past 2 weeks, ever since he got another DUI, and he got assigned a real tough judge that all of us hate, but he can like drink like 15 beers and not even feel it, so the judge is probably just like an asshole. So
Hello?
hey, Trip, you good?
Yeah, I'm good. You coming to pick me up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Hey, don't call me Trip, man. Yeah, nobody really does that anymore. That was just kind of a one-time thing, you know?
Yeah, no, for sure.
All right, I see it.
All right, man, yeah, cool, yep. I'm Cal Murphy, and this is Construction Workers in Cars, getting coffee. Yo. Yo.
Drank too much last night.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, same. Yo, did you get that demo done in the kitchen yesterday?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh shit, man! You hear about Zeke?
Yeah. Yeah.
Bro, he almost fucking died.
Right.
Yeah. He might not even be able to walk again.
Shit.
That could have been any of us.
Yo, dude, you want a coffee?
I'm good.
Oh.
I mean, if we stop and get a coffee, we're probably gonna be late. I mean,
Yeah, no, for sure. Alright, cool. I'm gonna grab a coffee right quick. Hey, let me get a medium black coffee with milk and sugar. Okay. And you want a coffee?
No, nigga, Shamrock Shake.
Cool.
Large.
Let me get a big ass Shamrock Shake and actually make that 2 and actually cancel my coffee. Thanks. Dude, you like forget how good it is because it's only around like once a year. Yeah.
Once a year.
Yeah.